Hey guys, so I know that it's been a while since my last unboxing. In my defense, I've been pretty busy with uni and I've had a lot of tests and like essays due, so I finally have time now, and not to mention my albums actually finally came, and so I know this is kind of old because this came out like the beginning of the year, but um I really loved this album, like, so much. Also, just, it looks so cool. Look at the design. Um, this is actually my first 4-minute album. Uh, I, honestly, 4-minute, like, this comeback was incredible. I flipped out over it. I was obsessed with this comeback and this song when it came out, so, yeah. And then I just needed to earn this album essentially just because, you know, it's an amazing album. But yeah, it's really cool because you see, it's almost like three books kind of stuck together. Anyway, this is the track listing, if it will focus for me. Either way, the tracks are Crazy, Cut It Out, Tickle Tickle Tickle, Stand Out, Show Me, and Cold Rain. My favorite is Crazy because it's amazing. I'm obsessed with that song and that video and like that dance and just everything about it. Like, hands down my favorite 4-minute comeback. But yeah, here we go. I haven't actually opened. I literally just took this out of out of the plastic wrap, so I don't even know what it looks like inside. But yeah. Track listing again. I didn't like the bucket hat look at first, but it kind of works with this concept, so yeah. Oh my god. So artsy. Jihyun. Oh, and my biases are Jihyun and Hyuna, actually, so both of them, because I can't really choose between them, and I adore both of them, so. Gayun. Gayun is so pretty. June. I feel like everyone fell in love with June during this comeback because, like, you know, how amazing her rap was. She looks so good. Hyuna. Ooh. Her hair. I like her hair so much. Look at it. Hair. So beautiful. And Sohyun. They're all so beautiful. Like, super, super, super gorgeous. Like, what even? This concept is amazing. Crazy. No, but I was literally so obsessed with this song. Crazy. Normal is boring for us. Jihyun. Okay, you know, like the bridge part where Jihyun comes out and like does like her sexy dance thing? It's like, seriously, I cry probably every time I see that. She is so gorgeous. I really like the whole black and white aesthetic going on here. It just really works for me. And he wants to wear the crown, bear the crown. Hyuna and her beautiful hair. I could probably read the Hangul, but it would take me a very long time because I'm so slow at reading Hangul, like, it's ridiculous. Oh, there's something in here. I don't know what it is. Hang on. I didn't see it. I will look at it after. Wait, I hope I didn't skip a page. No. Right? I didn't? Crazy. Ooh, and the color. Okay. Active. Right. Dang, look at those boots. Charm. Chameleon. Red. Huh. Which was a good song, too. The thing with me is that I've always liked 4Minute, hey, the universe, alright? I've always liked 4Minute, but, like, I really liked, What You Doing Today. But it wasn't until, like, this comeback that, you know, I became a bit obsessed with them. Which, I mean, you saw the comeback. It's an amazing comeback, so yeah. Lyrics. You see? Seriously, Gaia is so pretty. Like, when I first got into K-pop, I remember watching Tooyoon's 24/7, and I saw Gayoon on there, and I just thought she was like the most gorgeous thing ever. Of course, Jiyoon too. They're so beautiful and so young. No, I'm not really saying much in this, but I don't feel like I need to. This album really speaks for itself. Like, just listen to the entire thing. It's just a really good album. I mean, I say that about every album I buy, but I mean, I wouldn't buy it if I didn't like them, but so that makes sense. Anyway, this is what the CD looks like. And nothing in the back. It's just hard. It's, yeah. So, yeah. Hang on, I'll show you who I got once I put my CD back. Alright, I haven't seen who I got, so I don't know. So yeah, I got Hyuna! Oh my god. That's really, really cool. I mean, she's one of my biases. She and Jihyun are my biases. So, that's awesome! I really like this jacket. I would totally wear this jacket. Also, hair. I don't know. I liked the crimped look going on. But yeah. Oh my gosh, I got Yonghwa. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I think that hit in a bit late, but yeah. Anyway, this is a good album. It's my favorite 4Minute album so far. Granted, I haven't actually listened to their older stuff, but like counting their newer stuff, like I listened to their last album, but I liked this one more. So yeah, it's just a really good album, good title song. They're all beautiful and gorgeous, and yeah, that's really all you need, really. This is kind of long now, but like, yeah, thanks for watching.